Okay, here we are at the Avalon condominium. We are at 17th floor, and this is the entrance. Let me show you the door. So this is the entrance to the second bedroom, which is, let's just go check it out. This is the bedroom for my nephew and nieces. They will be sleeping here, 4 of them. Then I think this is their bathroom. Yep, it is the bathroom. That's their bathroom. Let's turn off the lights. So going forward, and this is the pantry, I believe. Oh no, it's just slippers and stuff. Not bad. Okay, this is the kitchen. Here we can cook. Microwave, and we have refrigerator here, big one. Mauna diha day. Yeah. So we have the dining room here. We have the 6-seater, which is not bad. Very nice. Very big space. Very spacious. And this is what it looks like. Looking out here. Beautiful, beautiful condominium unit, and looking out from the kitchen, that this is our view. So that is our view. You can see the ocean far away. There's so many buildings. Even down there is being, work on. Yeah, I like this place. We have TV here. All right, we got broken cabinets. And this is our master bedroom. All right, very nice, very fancy looking. So here's my husband. I'm gonna ask him what he thinks of this unit.
It's amazing. It's really nice.
So you're happy that I got this one?
Oh yeah. For
happy?
Downtown here, this is
Yeah, and then just across the street is already Ayala. You love it?
I didn't realize we have a view like this. You can see the ocean. I can see
Yes,
all
the
the way to
ocean,
Mahal.
yeah.
There's Mahal Island.
That's the whole island?
Across.
Yeah. I'm amazed, and I picked this because we just have to walk to Ayala. No more taxi. All right.
I'm happy.
You're happy? Cool. Okay, from the master bedroom, let's check their master bathroom. Oh, look what we have. It's like a walk-in closets. Then here's our bathroom. Pretty good space. You got, I like that. Yeah, very good. Come on over, honey. Check it out.
Look at all the space here.
I know, like plenty of spots.
You can sleep here.
Yeah. Oh, somebody did not flush their toilet. Shower, not bad. You can relax here. How's the water? Is that?
No, it's not hot yet.
It's not hot yet. Okay.
Maybe it needs to run longer, that's all. Hotel room I've ever been in.
This is what?
This is probably the most fanciest hotel room I've ever been in as far as fancy furniture and stuff.
Is
I
it?
mean, we've been in Bora Bora Overwater Bungalow.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
obviously not like this. That's
Yes.
all about the glass floors.
So pretty much overall, this is the best so far
This
you've
is the
ever
most
been.
fanciest hotel room we've
Yeah.
been in because
Yeah.
I mean, Hawaii,
It's not as fancy as this.
that's fancy. I mean,
Yeah.
It's got the amazing
And you
view,
have
the ocean.
everything microwave.
This is more about.
You can cook. You can even cook bake bread. Anyways, I got Avril here with me, and she's enjoying the heights, the view outside. She's using the monocular. Yeah. She's enjoying our view. We are at the 17th floor. Do you like it here, Dai? Do you like it? Gustuhan mo ang height? Ha? Ganahan ka? And we can even see the seaside. It's a mall over there, far, far away. I'm gonna zoom in closer. That white building behind the other building. Very close. See that in the middle of the screen? There's a tiny black spot. That's a pure white building. That is the Seaside Mall. Amazing view, amazing. We are on Avalon building, condo. And right across the street behind us is Ayala. We just have to walk.
No, you missed me. Okay.
Okay, we'll jump together. Is it good?
Yeah.
Here we are at the Avalon condo, just right across the Ayala Mall. And here's my nephews and nieces. They're swimming right now. Today is our last day. Tomorrow we will be flying back to the US. So they're enjoying our last day now. And here we are. This is a beautiful place to stay at. We were here for 4 days. So